Are you faced with the challenge of understanding the complexity of foaming? The SITA FoamTester is a fully automated system for the reproducible analysis of the foaming behavior of liquids. The instrument prepares and analyzes the sample, as well as cleans the measuring vessel. Test sequences are performed and repeated automatically. The SITA FoamTester generates foam step by step with a specific steering disc. Innovative optical measurement methods determine the foam characteristics such as foam volume, stability and drainage. In addition, an image of the foam structure can be recorded at any time in order to evaluate the properties of all foam bubbles, such as size and shape. With the PC software SITA Foam Lab, you are able to create and evaluate customizable test sequences conveniently in the office. Our foam tester is used wherever foams are desired, such as in cosmetics, or not desired, like in cleaning chemicals or cooling lubricants. If you would like to know whether the SITA FoamTester is suitable for your application, please contact us for further details. We look forward to hearing from you.